How do you stand out in the crowded field of foundation repair companies? You start with the name, Parrot Structural Services. Colorful, unique, and a state-certified woman-owned business. Then you do something even more unique. Parrot provides free repair proposals with no sales pressure. You'll never be pushed to sign a contract, so you can be comfortable selecting Parrot Structural Services. That's foundation repair done the right way. Because with Parrot Structural Services, the right way is the only way.